Hi there, I'm Marie. Today I want to share with you how I crochet this beautiful scarf. It's made using the shell and V stitches. It has a soft texture and drapes nicely. This stitch pattern works up quickly and takes less than half a skein of yarn to complete. You may use any size for soft yarn and its recommended hook size for this project. You start by chaining a multiple of 8 plus 5 stitches. For this tutorial, I'm chaining 29 stitches for a slightly smaller sample. Here I have 29 chains for the foundation. I mark the last stitch. It helps with the stitch counting. For row 1, we'll alternate making a V cluster and a shell cluster. Now, loop 3 chains. These 3 chains count as a double crochet stitch. Skip 1 chain stitch and make a double crochet in the next chain stitch. First, you yarn over, insert the hook into the chain stitch, draw up a loop. Yarn over and draw through 2 loops. Yarn over and draw through both loops. That's a double crochet stitch. Chain 1 and make another double crochet in the same chain stitch. Our first V cluster is complete. Next, we'll create a shell cluster. Skip 3 chain stitches. Work a double crochet in the following chain stitch. Work another double crochet in the same chain stitch. Chain 1. Work 2 more double crochets in the same chain stitch. A cluster shell stitch is complete. Now, skip 3 chain stitches and work a cluster V in the following chain stitch. Double crochet. Chain 1 and double crochet in the same chain stitch. That's another cluster V stitch. Next, skip 3 chain stitches. Work a cluster shell in the next chain stitch. Double crochet. Another double crochet. Chain 1 and 2 double crochets again. Continue by repeating the pattern across the row. After the last cluster V stitch, you will have 2 chain stitches left. For this corner stitch, skip 1 chain stitch instead of 3 and work a double crochet in the last chain stitch. This double crochet stitch keeps the border straight. So you have 1 double crochet at the beginning, a V cluster, a shell cluster, a V, a shell, a V, a shell, a V, and finish a double crochet at the end. Row 1 is complete. Moving on to row 2. Chain 3. And turn the work over. Now, with our cluster V and shell established, it gets easier from here. We work the V and shell cluster into the chain spaces of the previous clusters. Skip the first stitch. Work a cluster V into the chain space of the previous cluster V. Double crochet. Chain 1. And double crochet. Next, work a cluster shell into the chain space of the previous cluster shell. Double crochet. Another double crochet. Chain 1 and 2 double crochets again. Repeat the same stitch pattern across the row. After completing the last V cluster of the row, work a double crochet on the top of the chain 3 from the previous row. As you can see, the same clusters stack up on top of each other. Moving on to row 3. Chain 3 and turn the work over. From here on out, repeat row 2 until you reach the length of the scarf you want. The pattern itself finishes with a smooth and wavy edge. We will mirror a row of stitches on the opposite side. Repeat the same pattern with the stitches upside down. Finish with a double crochet stitch and fasten off. Now we have the same wavy edges at both ends. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.